Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to do a really quick tutorial. Somebody had asked me how I ship from home using eBay. This is how I do drop shipping and Amazon inventory liquidation through eBay and ship the things directly to the customer without ever leaving my house. So check this out.
No water, no drill, no me, no bitch. Hey yo, light up. It's a gummy beat. What's that?
Alright, so the first screen we're looking at here is eBay, and if you haven't signed in, you go to selling and you see this pop up. Okay, once you're on this screen, normally awaiting shipment print shipping label will have the number of orders right next to that you need to go ahead and print shipping labels for. However, I don't have that, so I pulled up see all orders, and on this page we see several things I've sold. So whether it's drop shipping or inventory liquidation, if I'm sending it from my house, then I'm just going to go ahead and click this arrow, print shipping label or invoices. This screen will pop up. I am always going to use US postage service. I'm going to click continue. When this page loads, generally speaking, it is always the cheapest shipping option. However, feel free to click this drop down and see if you can find something cheaper, unless you're going for speed, in which case of course they have 1 day or 1 to 3 days. Make sure your package weight and dimensions is correct, and make sure you select the correct mailing date. Once you're finished there, you can go ahead and click continue. It'll prompt you to pay for this with either PayPal or your credit card. I use PayPal, so the money I get from the purchase is used to pay for the shipping label. Now the next step, of course, is go to USPS, the US Postal Service website, and up here in the right-hand corner, I'm already signed in. It'll prompt you to either sign in or sign up, so make sure you do that. You roll over mail and ship, and then click schedule a pickup. Once you click schedule a pickup, you will see this screen. You go ahead and fill out this form. Please read our privacy policy. I read every single word of that. Go ahead and check availability. Where my shipment will be, will be in the mailbox. I didn't know I could click that drop down. So once you fill out this will be highlighted so you can select everything. I normally put mine in or at the mailbox on the front porch if it's going to be raining. During regular mail delivery, doesn't cost you anything. If you want a specific pickup window, it does cost you $22. So once again, that's up to you. I'm normally going for the cheapest option. On the date, you can choose as early as the next day. You cannot do same day, at least if you're doing the free option, and you can choose, it looks like, up to 4 months out. You go ahead and choose which mailing service you're using, and then you schedule the pickup. Once you see the confirmation screen, the pickup's been scheduled. All you have to do is print that shipping label off, slap it on your product, make sure you put the product wherever you said it's going to be during regular mail pickup hours, and the next day when the mail comes, your package will disappear and you never had to leave the house. So the most important thing for me during these tutorials is to make sure that you've learned something. So if you learned something, go ahead and let me know what it was in the comments section below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you don't know, we do a reality show called The Retail Tale, and that basically follows me around while I work on Amazon FBA, my eBay business, and expand my personal brand. So I really appreciate it. If you guys want to know how I do something, or you're interested in seeing a very specific tutorial, please let me know. Once again, you can put that in the comments section of this video, and I will see you all in the next tutorial.
No water, no drill.